Today, I want to show how to make chawanmushi. It may look simple, just egg and dashi, but achieving that perfect silky texture requires understanding temperature, protein, coagulation, and umami balance. And today, we will finish it with a delicious ankaki sauce, a lightly thickened dashi sauce filled with shrimp and mushrooms. Let's begin. Step 1. Preparing the egg mixture. First, crack 3 large eggs into a bowl. Using chopsticks, gently mix the eggs. The goal here is not to whip air into the eggs. Foam creates bubbles in the custard, which destroys the smooth texture. So mix slowly until the yolks and whites are just combined. Now add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. These season the custard and enhance the natural umami of the dashi. Next, pour in 1 4/5 cups or 450 milliliters of dashi. Add it gradually while mixing. Here is Dr. Bonito's tip: the golden ratio of egg and dashi. This ratio of egg to dashi is very important. In Japanese cooking, we often use a high dashi ratio for chawanmushi because we want a custard that is delicate and softly set, almost like silk. Finally, stir in the mixture through a sieve. This removes any egg stains and bubbles, creating the smooth texture that defines great chawanmushi. Pour the strained mixture into a shallow, heat-proof bowl. Step 2. Gentle steam cooking. Now we cook the custard. Place a folded kitchen cloth at the bottom of a frying pan with a lid. Set the bowl on top. Then pour boiling water into the pan until it reaches about halfway up the side of the bowl. This creates a gentle steaming environment. Cover the bowl loosely with aluminum foil. This prevents water droplets from falling into the custard, which would damage the surface. Cover the pan with a lid. Cook over medium heat for 3 minutes. Then reduce the heat to low and steam for 50 minutes. After that, turn off the heat and let it rest for another 10 minutes. This resting step is important. Egg proteins continue to set gently with residual heat, producing the signature silky texture. Step 3. Making the ankaki sauce. While the custard fish is cooking, we prepare the ankaki sauce. Ankaki is a lightly thickened sauce that adds warmth and umami. In a small pot, combine half cup dashi, 1.5 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons mirin. Bring this to a gentle boil. Add the shrimp, mushroom, and snow peas. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, add the starch slowly. This is 1 teaspoon pot starch mixed with 1 tablespoon water. Stir gently as the sauce thickens. This glossy texture is what defines ankaki. It holds the ingredients together and coats the custard beautifully. Step 4. Assembly. Carefully remove the chawanmushi from the pan. If cooked correctly, the custard should tremble slightly when shaken. That means the texture is perfect. Now spoon the warm ankaki sauce over the top. Finish with fresh mitsuba leaves. Their bright aroma adds a final touch of freshness. Chawanmushi is a wonderful example of how Japanese cuisine balances science and simplicity. just eggs, dashi, and gentle heat. But when the technique is right, the result is incredibly refined. If you want to understand the true beauty of dashi and umami, this dish is one of the best places to start. Have a flavorful day.